What are the names of the segments in the figure? We're going to highlight them with 3 different colors. We have this segment, this short segment here. That segment. We have this segment. Remember, segments have 2 endpoints. And since we only have those 3 points, we can make 3 segments. Now, they want us to name unique segments. They don't want us to name this one, for example, this green one, AC, and then CA. That's the same segment. You're just naming the endpoints in opposite order. So, like if you see this right here, that can't be. So we're going to say no for A. Again, like for B, you see AB and BA right there. AB and BA, just the same letters. A, B, BA. Same letters in a different order. That's not going to create a unique segment. We need ones that have different endpoints. So D says the 2 segments, and we know that there are 3. There is AB, there's BC, and then there's the entire segment AC. And so, of course, for answer D, they're checking to see that you understand that 2 smaller segments together make a longer segment. So it's not D. And if we look at the 3 segments, we've got AB, the red one, BC, the blue one, and AC, the full green one. So the answer is C.